What if there was a simple technique that helps you get ahead of 95% of people without more stress and with more ease as well? Would you be interested? For most of my life, I kept banging my head against a figurative wall because I didn't understand this one simple thing. I was caught up in perfectionism, and so I never made any progress. I procrastinated and I kept failing over and over and over and over and over again because I didn't understand this one simple thing. So let me give you 3 magic words that I want you to tattoo on your arm or just have on a post-it or somewhere. Remind yourself of this every single day. Quantity over quality. What this means is the following. There have been experiments done with this in various different fields, where students were divided into 2 groups. One group would be graded on the quality of their work. For example, if it's a pottery class, they were graded on how well the pot looks. For a photography class, it's how good is your photo. The other group was told to make as many of them as possible. And they were graded on how many things they submitted. And what they found time and time again is the following. The people who submitted the best works, they were almost never in the quality group. They almost always came from the group who focused on quantity. Because while some people were stuck making that one perfect photo or making that one perfect pot or whatever it is, they didn't get enough practice. They didn't get enough repetitions in order to get good at the skill. Whereas the people who took picture after picture after picture, they improved a little bit with every photo taken. That's the secret to life. It is about the quantity of the work you put in. So for example, I have been working on my fitness for the last 9 months seriously. But I never focused on having the perfect plan of I'm gonna go to the gym at 8 p.m. I'm gonna do these sets of exercises. My entire fitness plan is I'm gonna go 5 times or 6 times a week, period. It is not the perfect work that gets the job done, but it is the consistent work, and the quantity of work helps you get good at anything. Most people stay stuck because they make one thing in 3 weeks, whereas the people who get ahead in life, they make 3 things in 1 week. It is that fucking simple. However, most people never focus on this one thing. So if you want to get good at anything, if you want to get ahead, focus on doing more and more and more and more and more and more of it. And focus on just improving one tiny thing at a time. That's how you learn a skill, not by focusing on one thing for months and months and making it perfect. Fuck perfectionism, just punch it in the face. It will not help you. It only holds you back from your dreams, your goals. And once I started ditching this idea of perfectionism, once I started tossing it out of the window, I was able to make progress because I could focus on practice, 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 practice. I could put things out there because I know that if I do this consistently, every single day, I will get more done than most people ever will. And I will learn faster. So if you want to get ahead, make sure you practice every day. You put something out there that's going to help you go from where you are to where you want to be. If you do that every day, you will get ahead of most people in life. Like I said, it's incredibly simple, but most people don't do this because it requires discipline. It requires your effort. But once you do, you will start achieving more of your goals. So with that said, give this video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.